bunch of cutters. You know what I use? Use my American Express titanium card. Don't go home without it. This will get you in trouble. This will get you out of trouble. Let's see what we got, ladies and gentlemen. I am proud to say what you've been waiting for, what I should have done a long time ago, the easiest read you will ever have. How to Create Wealth Investing in Real Estate. Your copy awaits you, okay? You can read it in one copy. This takes you longer than 2 hours to read. Bang, bang, bang. You can buy 10, you can buy 20, you can buy 50. Either way, you're going to make money. Just read it.